rap in Trinidadian science. Listen to yourself. When the fire announce a phone call. Listen, in that. You want to touch anybody? Pop, pop. You're going to come out and eat it. Pop, pop. I'm going to do it original. I'm going to go come out and you're going to eat it. Pop, pop. You want to touch anybody? Pop, pop. You're going to come out and eat it. Pop, pop. I'm going to do it original. I'm going to go come out and that. This is a plan set. We don't say no. They go to the come out and eat it. No. People we can't come out. Shut your mouth. Oh. That we know they are all the things for that. Yo. We shall say it. We get shut up. When you are not hustle, don't be hot. Yo. Because you don't know when you're human. So. When you take the road, go. I mean, I mean, you're on the million. Go. You want to touch anybody? Take your name from the illegal. What do you do with the original? A public of a man that is not illegal. You want to touch anybody? Take your name from the illegal. What do you do with the original? Rap along the professor, I'm not against that. Keep a professor. Talking on the time, you're on the power pressure. Girls now meanwhile, I'm a harasser. Don't say like a period, and put them on the dresser. Yes, sir. How much of you can I don't see? Out to be go eat, they need the cream of the girl's feet. Another free, when I would read, you'll see my talking about the original is the real sweet. From the neck to the breast, I go, I don't go the nose to waist, no, that's a low blow. And you get it, I am a low blow, to go, to go.